This is Nina. Nina. What do you want to play? Let's just go mess with a bunch of kids. Huh? I know, right?
Thanks. No.
Give me your tickets.
No, stop.
Give me your tickets.
Anna, you look orange.
Give me your token.
Oh, yeah.
Ticket. Record me. Record me. Record me.
Back up, back up.
Here, do it. I see the closer by my kid. Just run around and just go up to random people.
Why you do that?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, you're famous. You guys are gonna be on TV. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna go to the party over there?
Party.
Yeah, it's the teen thing. It's from now till 12.
What do you do there?
Teen room.
Well, right now no one's dancing, but you dance.
For $10 though?
Yeah.
Gay.
And you get platinum plastic bread.
And they sparkle. It's
Wonderful.
It's legit. You gotta know.
Good night.
Weird ass Mexican motherfucker.
It's all upside down. Stop! I'm gonna go get that guy's number. I should be like, hey, let me get your number. You guys were.
We just filmed these. I went like this, like a bunch of turns down.
Let's play this.